want, Spiky? Huh? Here! That'll be 2 more bones, Spiky! I can't believe you fell for that! I'm feeling like we could go on with this all day! All this winterness making me thirsty. He's a little slow, but he's learning. Now, you didn't do that on purpose, did you? Well then, I guess we'll let you off with a warning. He ain't gonna spill no more drinks. What are we rats? Just like home. Let me show you a little game me and the rats play downtown. We call it making headlines. Here, take one. Ha-ha! You're up, Spiky. Show 'em who's boss. Oh, these guys is all right. They don't cause me no trouble. Yeah? Let's them to keep it that way.